Ule chibai ule video masalama khan WhatsApp status sa midang mention dan kan soito a tuntuma hian WhatsApp status sa group mention dan kan soi ve thungila thange WhatsApp khan kanan lutanga status update na pangaya khan update tia khan kan lutanga chuanin midang convention ang tho khanin text status thuzia ka chuanin a mention theilova thalak emo video emo akhan a mention theidon ani voice apo a mention theilo boka chuanin video emo thalak emo kha kan select anga tirnan hi notice don ta illa chuanin helaya at sign hi at the rate sign hi kan zo metanga chuanin ivoi khatti ne torni chuan tiang hian alo langa kha group iwa mention chunga member jong khanin I mention ani ti message anlo donganga tin member jong khanin status kha anlo muthei bokanga chuanin andu chuan status kha anlo share song thei bok don ani okay hi imetanga ti chuan I omna group jong kha alo lang vekanga baka khan private a ibiak tun naya ibiak nai ho I frequently contact ho kha anlo lang bokanga idu chuanin private le group kha I mention kop thei ngal boka status a khan group kha I mention thei zat khavoi khata group panga I mention theya private le group kha a in polin voi khata panga I mention thei kop thei bokani enternan private pani le group pathum emo group pani le private pathum tiang chi khan voi khata panga I mention thei ni amaro chu admin chau thu post theina ang chi group a kha chuanin admin ni lo chuan kha group kha I mention thei don lova admin chau post thei na group a kha chuan admin chauin kha group kha an mention thei tinani chu chuanin I mention na group a member jong I contact a omlo jong po khanin status kha anlo muthei vekanga I mention ani ti message kha group a khan post panga angin aron langa message aron omanga chuanin kha group member jong khanin status khan en vek thayanga anlo share theidon bokani tikhan I du group kha I select anga tengkhan voi khata panga I select thaya hai 5 mention is the limit tilo injeka okay khai metanga idu I group mention du angkha I thlan kim huna chon voi khata pakhat chopo a mention thaya pani chopo kating khan panga kha atam bera panga I mention thaya iti zo huna khan helaya tik mark hi izu tikanga chuanin idu le ta hian caption status caption tur kha iziak anga idu du kha iziak thaya izia zo nuwa khan laya send button hi imetanga tikani send anga chuan kha I mention group ami jong te khanin status kha anlo muthei don ani I mention ti kha notification kha alanganga group a khan utiang khuan I mention ti kha alo lang mal bok don ani ole kha WhatsApp status sa group mention dan chu ani a clear to 10 he video hi in lo tangkai puya in lo lok pui ka be se ya in java in do sakna kalan cheuni